Hey folks, trying out a new brand of engine paint. This is made by KBS. It's called Motor Coater. Alright, it's an engine enamel. I like the brush on much better than the spray on. It lasts a lot longer because the spray on has all the, I don't know, whatever they use to spray it on, so it's less paint but more of the other crap. This is just basically just engine enamel, and they usually last a lot longer. This is Chrysler Turquoise. This is going on a 69 Dodge Dart. Okay, the water pump decided to go after 42,000 miles. Original miles, but it started to leak out of the weep hole. So what I did was I just painted the edges now. I am going to paint to the top, and I want to show you how this flows right in there with no problem. See if I can set you up on this tripod. Check this out. It goes in pretty smooth. It's not supposed to have any brush marks, but I did use a sponge brush anyway, since that's the only thing that I had right now. Wasn't going to run to the store. A little crappy weather out right now. But just like the other enamel paint that I have used, the other brand, it has no streaks whatsoever. Hopefully this is the same with like a self-leveling. Gives it a nice smooth finish. And like the other brands that I have used, if you have to do a touch-up, you can just go right in there, touch it up straight out of the can, and it blends right in. It's really unbelievable. It actually keeps the original shine from a new paint job to an old one. It's really, really wild. See, as you can tell, it's going on. No brush marks whatsoever. But then again, I'm using a sponge. Don't think it makes a difference because, like I said, the other ones never had a problem. I'm going to show you how shiny it is. I'm going to put a little flashlight onto it. Just dab it into the little corners here. Yep, 69 Dart, 42,000 original miles. Went to start it up the other day, and it started spitting water out of the water pump. So, I guess from old age, it started to go. So, go to the local AutoZone. Let's get their Duralast brand. We'll put it on there. That's what we're going to use. All right, let's go a little bit more. Let's go on this side. Same thing. A little dab will do ya. Gonna get it right here in the edges. I don't know if you guys ever did a 6-cylinder water pump before, but it has a little metal plate like the old Pontiacs have. The only thing is that with the Pontiac, at least the plate is removable. This plate is on there, and then the impeller is pushed on. So it's really, really weird. So if you ever change that gasket in there, you have to get a water pump. That's just the way it is. Insane, right? All right. Let that settle a little bit. All right, let's do the other side, people. Let's spin it around. Let's do the whole thing. That way it actually gives the pump a little chance to the paint to settle down a little bit. Do it here like this. There you go. Another little dab to you over here. Hard part is getting these little crevices over here and here. I'm gonna go here. Little Peter playing with his toys. Gonna go in here. Get this little piece over here. Trying to get any piece that looks like aluminum. Cover it up. That's what we're going to do. Don't want to keep piling it in there. I think I got it, people. I think I got it. Okay. Of course, got to do a little bit over here on top. Don't want to get the bearing over there. I think it'll make a difference. But let's put a little bit on top here. Because once the pulley goes on top, you're not going to see it anyway. It'll cover it up. Doesn't matter if you paint that shaft or not. But let's just get it done anyway. All right. There you go. All right. I think I got it, people. Let's get the little flashlight. Let's take a look. Nice and shiny. Oh, I missed a spot over here, people. Right here. So if you worry about getting any spots, flashlight is the way to go. Okay. Smoothing out the sides here. In case you worry about any drips. You don't want any. You get rid of them. It's crazy, huh? There you go. Was that old saying about watching paint dry? That's what you got here. Let's turn it back around. All right, pretty much got everything here. Starting to dry on me already. But as I'm touching it up, you're going to notice that it smooths out. All right, that's it. I'm not going to worry about inside the holes. But yeah, look at that. Nice, glossy. That beautiful? All right. So far, so good. KBS. That's the name of the paint. Motor Coater. All right. It's available online. You can see a couple stores that sell it. So far, so good. I like it. It's got a nice shiny coat to it. Okay. You don't have to spray anything and get all that crap all over the place. But that's it. Thanks for watching, people. Engine paint. Like it says, deep, rich, OEM color. I like it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.